Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to blur face in Davinci Resolve. So it's pretty simple. We are going to blur face of this girl right now. Go over to Color tab, then select this mask and go with your playhead at the beginning of the clip. Select this circle mask and then position the mask so it matches her face and increase the feather like this. So it has some space to work with. Something around this would be pretty okay. And then go over to this tracker and press play in here. And as you can see, Davinci Resolve is now tracking her face perfectly. And then go over here to this blur tab and increase radius like this. And it is blurred right now. And as you can see, the face of this woman is now blurred and tracked perfectly in Davinci Resolve. So this is really how easy it is, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I guess I will see you in the next tutorial. Appreciate you watching again. Bye bye.